All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here in Port Clinton, Ohio again. And check this one out. In this video, I want to share with you what we do as far as connecting here the porch. You probably see there's going to be 2 porches on this building. This is a 30 by 40, 10 feet tall post frame pole barn building. You can see, so he has 2 porches on both sides of the gable. And I want to show you how we put 2x6s up there. All right, so you can see how we do this, but I'm going to show you on the back side as we walk in here. All right, and then here's another nice little thing. I mentioned this on yesterday's video. You know, we put that man door in there. A lot of people don't put that little wedge in there. See that little wedge, that treated piece of lumber right there? Again, when you step on that, instead of having that break off, you have that as support. But let me go around here and share with you what we're doing here. Again, the zoning, again, this is Ottawa County, not too far from Lake Erie, but 2 foot on center, that's the variance, or that's the code, not the variance, but that's the code up here. But here's what we did. We put the 2x6 obviously to tack on the wainscot, and you can see the 2x4 sidewall girts. And you can see what we did for the 2x6 right up there for the porches. Okay, and that's going to be on the other gable side as well. And the reason why we set the 2x6 up there is you're going to be able to, you can see, connect those mono trusses. All right, you see how they run that. And then what they do is they anchor a 2x4 right beside that for extra support as well. Okay. Now in this building we went with drip stop. A lot of these you can see in vapor barrier. Either vapor barrier or drip stop. Again, drip stop, again, approved for animal confinement. Obviously this is not going to be an animal confinement job, but comes pre-applied to the metal. It's got a 20-year warranty. Can be pressure washed, and if you've ever seen this before, let me see if I can get a little closer there, but it's fuzzy. It's fuzzy. All right, and a good option for moisture vapor barrier control there. All right, you can see there, and also he's gonna put radiant floor heat in this. And again, this is relatively early, well, midway through the project here, but you can put radiant floor heat on this building. But you can see we boxed this into 2x6s. That way there's flush with the 3-ply laminated columns. See, that way he's going to finish off the sidewall interior. We're going to do that as well, and then we're also going to put a ceiling in here. So if you do a 2x4 instead of 2x6, you're going to have some issues. So 2x6, making it flush there with the 3-ply laminated columns. You can see a lot of natural light coming in here with a bunch of windows here. So you can see the guys are getting after it. All right, and then another porch being set up. So kind of gives you an idea what's going on here. Again, Port Clinton. And you can see right there, African Safari Park. Billboard. So there you go, 30 by 40 in process. Port Clinton, Ohio. 2 porches coming right off the gable side. So interesting little concept here. And like the video, give it a thumbs up. So next one's the lock loader right here, Attica Lumber. Attica Lumber since 1925.